Hi, in this video, we're going to be given some coordinates, and I'll explain what coordinates mean again, but we explored it in the previous video, and we're going to plot that point on a grid. So we're going to work out where on this grid is the point with coordinates 5, 7. Now, you might remember that the first number in these coordinates, so coordinates always have brackets like this with a comma in the middle, and the first number is known as the x coordinate, and the second number after the comma is known as the y coordinate. And then alphabetical order, x comes first and then y. And basically what this tells us is that if we start from this point here where these two lines meet, and by the way, these are known as axes, so this is known as the x-axis, the horizontal line labeled as x with all the numbers on it, and this is known as the y-axis. It's in the vertical direction. This vertical line here with all the numbers on it, that's known as the y-axis. And this point here, where those two axes meet, that's known as the origin. So this is the origin. So that's kind of like the starting point. Now, we want to get to a point with coordinates 5, 7. So the first value is 5, is what the x coordinate is. And what that means is that how far you have to travel from the origin in the x direction. So x direction is right, left. X direction is right, left. And the second coordinate of 7, the y coordinate of 7, tells you how far you need to move in the y direction. This is the y direction vertically. So x is going right or left, and the y direction is going up or down. And we always start from the origin. Origin means the starting point. So, okay, the first number is 5. The x value coordinate is 5. So let's start from the origin. And on the x-axis, we're going to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got to this point here. So that's how far we moved in the x direction. And then the second number, the y coordinate, is 7, and that tells you how far to move in the y direction, so the vertical direction. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you got 7 to get to this point here. So that's the point we want, the point with coordinates 5, 7. And if you check, if you've got that point, if you look vertically down to meet the x-axis, if we move vertically down, you can see that the x value is 5. The x value is 5, that's good. And if we look horizontally across from this point and go to the y-axis, so the y-axis, you can see that the y value is 7. So it is 5, 7. We've got it right.